Okay, this is what I have so far in the RC crawler. Converted it to rear steer. Still works just fine. Got a 9.6 volt battery swap. I have got some 66 by 43 by 25 NHS boggers. But this is my little project. I also have the new steering servo I'll be hooking up. Got the tie rods for it as well. But I don't have soldering iron right now, so can't exactly do that at this present moment. This here was a donor vehicle. And of course, went from stock tires. Went from stock tires to larger ones. Clearly you can see the difference. That's about it so far. I'll keep the RC truck updated.